Hello friends! End of March, 2 new releases of Ansible. Let's take a look together, let's read together the release changelog, and let's take a look also at the future, the roadmap. First of all, Ansible Core. As we all know, Ansible Core is the platform where the Ansible engine is released, as well also the Ansible built-in collection. This is only a maintenance release, so not a big change. As you can see, this is release 2.14.4 and thank you Matt for let us know on March 27th about this new release. It's already available in PyPy registry and web archive, so you just need to type your pip install ansible-core. So taking a look about the release history, we can see that there was also a pre-release the week before, and the previous release was in the last week of February. So it looked like that every month there is a new release of one Ansible component. As you can see, previous was end of February and the previous one end of January. So it seems like a good roadmap. Let's take a look together on the changelog. Let me scroll it down. As you can see, there are minor changes on the Ansible test. Ansible test look like a very promising tool and is used for static code analysis of Ansible. It's something that I really would like to deep dive because it looks like that there is a lot of changes ongoing. One of the most important things, the breaking change, is that you require your test to have executive permission, so 755 or 644 before being able to run. This might be interesting. Taking a look also at bug fixes, these two pop up my attention about the copy module, that when you run the code in check mode with a remote source, they still create the destination folder. And this might be very nasty bug fix, but rather than that, it's only just small bug fixes, so it doesn't look like nothing critical from my point of view. Also, the previous release was mostly about maintenance. This time there is no release for 2.13 branch, so everything happened in 2.14. So let me recap. On Monday 27th of March 2023 was released Ansible Core 2.14.4 with some small bug fixes, as you can see. Is already available on PyPy, so just need to type pip install Ansible Core and you are done. As a Red Hat tradition, there is also an Ansible community package. This community package is 7.4.0 and includes the Ansible Core, the latest release of Ansible Core, plus some selected Ansible collection. What is included? The changelog refers directly to the 2.14, and as you can see, is already available as well in PyPy registry. It might take a while for this release to be included directly in your distribution, so using pip command line utility and you are able to access. This software release doesn't include any pre-release and it goes straight away to the release. As you can see, same story as before, every month there is a new release. Let's take a look together on the changelog. Also for this release 7.4.0 is highlighted that you need for the Ansible test, every test requires permission to be ready to run. So be mindful and take a look about this significant change. Rather than that, there are some details related to some collection, community H, robot, community VMware, that you need to be careful to use lowercase for Boolean, Fortinet, poor storage, and some deprecated things. So take a look for the full history here, and as you can see, there is not a lot of changes for this small release. Taking a look on the future, the next month will be very interesting because Ansible Core 2.15 will reach out a very interesting software development stage, because as you can see at the moment we are in development phase and there will be a feature freeze by the end of March, and we're expecting beta 1 by the beginning of April. I know there will be some recharge or Easter time, so please, I'm expecting to be on time and having some time to test it out with beta 1 before release candidate and hopefully the release in May. So this is the future of Ansible. I'm not sure what are the features, because right now there is no big release. I'm really looking forward to test it out this new release of Ansible Core. Thank you for this. So basically, by the end of March was released Ansible Core 2.14.4 and Ansible Community 7.4.0. Choose your flavor. As always, Ansible Core is good because it has a small footprint that includes only the Ansible engine and Ansible built-in collection. If you want more collection, jump directly to the Ansible Community Package 7.4.0. This is it. Have a good rest of the day and see us on the next adventure. Let's automate more with Ansible. Bye!